Hiring a drone for a single job and not sure if you need to update your ops manual because you don't own it? Not knowing this one simple thing could land you in hot water fast. In this video, I'll reveal what the CAA actually requires and what you need to do before you take off. And if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you about a brand new way that we're helping pilots like you to make more money with your drones. I'm Matt Williams, ex-military combat pilot, built and exited the UK's largest drone training school, and since 2014, I've helped more than 66,000 drone pilots stay safe, legal and compliant. I now run Drone Business Hub, the fastest way to keep your UK CAA Ops Manual up to date. So here's the bottom line. If you're flying a drone under your CAA permissions, whether it's owned, hired or borrowed, it must be in your operations manual at the time of the flight. No grey area. No, but it's only for one day. If it's in the air under your permissions, it needs to be in the manual. End of. Otherwise, you're not flying in accordance with your CAA permissions, and you'll have questions to answer with both the regulator and potentially your insurer if you do happen to have an accident or an incident. Also worth mentioning that you need to make sure that it's added to your insurance as well as into your operations manual. That's exactly why we've built Drone Business Hub, to make this stupidly easy and fast. Need to add a hired drone for a job? Simply log in, add the aircraft, amend your version table, hit generate update. It takes about 15 seconds and you are fully compliant so that you can spend your time delivering for your clients and not dealing with ops manual updates. And here's a tip. Unless you're never going to hire that drone again, just leave it in the manual. It's cleaner, saves you hassle and keeps you covered for future gigs. But if you do want to tidy it up, just click remove, update your amendment table, click regenerate and you're good to go. This is the kind of everyday compliance trap that catches operators out, especially if you're doing it solo. If you ever get audited, you need to show that your manual reflects your actual operations, that you're managing changes properly, that you're keeping your house in order. That's exactly what Drone Business Hub handles for you. We've built the system with the CAA's expectations in mind because we've been on the inside of this for over a decade. And if you're looking for help, not just staying legal, but actually making money with your drone, you're going to want to check out our new channel, Drone Business Network. It's all about helping you win more work, price your services properly, and build a profitable drone business. Link is in the video description. And of course, if you want to automate this whole compliance headache and let us take care of your ops manual for you, go and check out Drone Business Hub. The link again is down in the description. Until next time, I've been Matt Williams. Fly safe and blue skies.